In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload longer videos on Instagram story. Now the video limit on uploading Instagram stories is 60 seconds or a minute. So we can easily upload a video that is a minute long without having any issues. But if your video is longer than a minute, what you can do is split that video into multiple parts. For this, we're going to use a video editor called CapCut. You can use any video editor, or you can also do it within your phone. But CapCut is easy, that's why I'm using it. Just select the video and tap on next. Now this video is 2 minutes 30 seconds long. So in this case, what I need to do is split this video into multiple parts of 1 minute. So place the cursor on the 1 minute mark and then just tap on the video and then tap on split. Once the video has been splitted, I'll just remove the remaining part and then just export this part. Now once that 1 minute has been exported, I can again import that previous video and I can again export the remaining parts. So I'll start from 1 minute. I'll just tap on the video, tap on split, remove the front part and again swipe to the 1 minute mark. Tap on the video, tap on split and remove the remaining part. Now tap on export again. Similarly, after you have done for all of the videos and you splitted the video into 1 minute videos, you can now open up your Instagram and tap on your stories and then just tap on an option which says select, or you can also tap and hold the video and select multiple videos. Make sure that the videos are in line and then you can just tap on next. Now this way the videos will be all posted in one go but in separate stories. So that's the way you can post longer videos on your Instagram story. If this video was helpful, then make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, also make sure to turn on that notification. That's going to be all for today and I'll see you in the next one.